How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. I have to go over GWAV. This is a very interesting setup as we're seeing these reverse split pumps. We just saw it with VLCN, but let me go over what I see, what can we do, and I did trade this before, and this is why it's crucial to be in the Discord, because you know when when I enter and exit. Like, I might make a video, it might go up, and then like a week later it goes way past my entry. Well, I'm probably already out of the trade because I have a very strict set of rules on how I do this. So just to show you transparency, if I go into my Discord swing trade alerts, I highlight it right here. Limit order to buy GWAV 1.88 swing trade. I alert everyone. First order only doing one added date, and we close to the EMA 5 hit. Well, if you scroll later down here, limit order to sell GWAV at 2.15, right in here, and I filled. So where did I take that trade? Well, it must have been right in here. We see this big massive spike here, as you can see, but it plummeted all the way down. Could it have kept going up? Yes, but I was not going to take that risk. Here's what I saw, guys. We had a lot of daily candles away from the EMA 5. And for you guys that know my system, and if you are new, click the link down below, and I'll get your chart set up like mine if you want to join my Discord. It's a very high success rate. But as you can see right in here, if we count the daily candles, right here we touched. Actually, we didn't really touch the EMA 5. It barely missed it. So that is considered not a touch. So we had one. Right here, you can clearly see it touching the EMA 5, which is this purple band. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 candles not touching the EMA 5. And you can see right in here, we kind of like consolidated out, and it was just a beautiful move. So how did I know where to get my entry? Well, if you look at the daily candles, we had some very low K values all throughout in here. And then I was using the 5-minute time frame and to get very precise entries. So right in here, we blew right past the EMA 5, and then we started going down again. Is this another buy signal? And that's what I wanted to get at. I think we are close to another buy signal, and I think we can have a nice big pump up. And here's my reasons why. We have not touched the EMA 10, which is our next second target. We will touch the EMA 10. It's bound to be touched. And our longer target is the EMA 20. I don't think we'll touch the EMA 20 probably within maybe another month. But here's what I see. Our last touch of the EMA 10 was 5/28/2024. So May 28th, we have touched the EMA 10. We go further out, we haven't touched it, and the current date is June 25th. And you guys know my rule. Anything that don't touch the EMA 10 in 1 month is really long. That is a very long time frame. And what I also like is this reverse split. We had a 1 for 150, and it's just kept constantly going down. And a lot of these times, these reverse splits are pumping big. We have not had our big pump on this reverse split. Usually you'll have that one big pump, and we'll see from there. If you look at some of the news, they had a lot of positive things going on. So I think a lot of the negative news is out, and I think we can get a nice rally from here. And my target would be the EMA 10. But obviously, if you're in my Discord, I'm not going to take the trade until we're under the EMA 5. We are under the EMA 5 right now. As you can see, we used it as resistance again. We hit the EMA 5 and we went down. We hit the EMA 5 right here and we went down. And you can see we're constantly doing that on downtrend stocks. Right here, we got really close to the EMA 5 and went down. But the more touches we do, the more it's going to hit that EMA 5 and break right through it. So this is my strategy. We are at a higher K value. We're at 11.59, higher than I would like it. But I think it's not like a huge factor. I've seen, this is fine. It's not like extraordinary high. So GWAV, I am bullish. Obviously, you're going to, I am going to make my entry at the most precise entries I can get. I'm looking at the 5-minute, the 1-minute, and I'm going to make it kind of towards the end of the day. As you can see, even on the 1 minute, you can see that we are respecting my band strategy. If we hit the upper band, we tend to sell off. If we hit the lower band, we tend to go up. So based on that knowledge, that is your best way to get precise entries. You don't want to just take a random entry and hope for the best. That's called guessing. So with this strategy, we don't guess, we base it on principles, and there's a lot of factors involved. So this is GWAV. If anyone's still in it, I know this ticker sucks. I'm not trying to say this is a nice ticker, and I feel so bad for the people who got pumped into this thing by a lot of pumpers, and they just got wrecked. As you can see, we hit the upper band here, and it just kept selling off. You know, you can't sustain this on a higher time frame like the daily, and a lot of the times it's going to revert back to your EMAs, which is your 5, 10, and 20. I have a whole complete setup education video if you want to have this set up in your charts and how to learn. But if you want to click the link down below, you can join my premium Discord of when do I enter my trades on how I have an over 95% win ratio, because I am patient and I want to make sure I have the best buy signals. I don't want to just randomly get in trades. I want to make sure it meets the system. Do we have enough upside to the EMA 5, 10, and 20 to even consider the trade? Is there enough time distance? There's a lot of things that go in place here. But if you guys want to join the premium Discord, there's a link down below. It's pinned. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. We have over 3,000 or even close to 4,000 members in a short amount of time. All you have to do, if you want to subscribe, is hit the server shop up here. And as you can see, we have two memberships. We have Swing Trading Plus and Day in Swing Trading Plus. The Day in Swing Trading Plus obviously is going to give you the most value because you get my day trade alerts and swing trade alerts for $12 a month, and you have access to all my subscriptions. You're going to get my RTK journal. You're going to know what trades I'm in, that I'm currently in, when I exit, my wins and losses, and you also get pinged on your phone if anything happens. Like, you'll know, hey, I bought GWAV for, you know, whatever the price, 1.70 or something. So yeah, you're gonna want to know. And yeah, that's my analysis on GWAV. I think this is calm before the storm. I think a lot of people forgot about it. We have a nice consolidation rate in here. Nothing really happening. As you can see, the price is, you know, right in here, just going up and down, and it's just consolidating, waiting for that big move. We are going to hit that EMA 10. It is bound to happen, and I suspect within a week we're going to hit it. Even if it goes back to 2.15, the EMA 10 right now is 226, so it's losing some distance. Even, let's say it just goes back to $2. If you put out your nifty calculator, right, if you bought the stock at, you know, people would dream to have these kind of returns, right? And these are nice, consistent. Let's say 1.70, you bought it, and it goes straight to a conservative $2. Well, you're getting an increase of 17%. That is really nice. And in my Discord, I aim for at least 10% returns, so it has that plenty of upside that I'm looking for. So this is my analysis on GWAV. I take it how you guys would love it. But if you guys want to, give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate all your guys' comments. I do read them, even though I can't respond to everyone because I have a lot of things, you know, going on with the baby appointments and, you know, trying to manage the Discord, get alerts out, day trading, and all that. So I hope you guys understand. And if you do want to join the Discord, you guys are like family to me. I want you guys to be extremely successful. I want you guys to make money. And I think anyone can do this strategy. Stay positive, guys. We all blown accounts in the market. It's just treat it as a learning experience and use something that has probabilities of more winning than losing. And that's really all that is in trading. Peace out, guys. I wish you the best and much love.